SlowCast English, Episode 42. Feeling nervous.
You seem nervous.
Yeah, I have a test today.
Oh, that's why.
I didn't sleep well.
Did you study?
Yes, but I'm still worried.
That's normal.
I hope I do okay.
You will. Trust yourself.
Thanks, that helps.
Take deep breaths.
Good idea.
You got this.
I'll try my best.
That's the spirit.
Introduction to this podcast. Encouragement before a test. Hannah comforts Eric, who is anxious about an upcoming test due to lack of sleep. Despite studying, Eric remains worried, but Hannah reassures him, encourages self-trust, and suggests deep breathing. Eric feels supported and resolves to do his best. Appreciating Hannah's encouragement.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.